Today I will be showing you a very special home because it's actually our home, located in one of my favorite streets in this high-end golf community of Keene's Pointe called the Way, where you'll find unique, incredible custom homes with such vibrant personalities. This is a beautiful custom Mediterranean home in the outside, but it's very particular and unique in the inside because we renovated it all. I want to show it to you. This is the entrance. What I like the most, it's the beautiful natural light welcoming you through the big windows, the clear blue sky, the garden, the palm trees, and the amazing pool. And here we have our modern kitchen with Italian design cabinets, and what I like the most, it's that you can actually enjoy the view of the garden, and it's also connected to the living room area, making it perfect to entertain family and friends and enjoy one of the best areas of any home, the kitchen. This home offers 4 bedrooms and 5 full bathrooms, an office and a game room with a very nice floor plan. To the right side, we have the office, the pool bathroom, and the spacious master bedroom, his and her closet, and also a nice sized bathroom with 2 vanities, a big glass shower, and the bathtub. From the entrance to the left, we have our special dining room with this incredible restoration hardware chandeliers. Upstairs, we have a great playroom with bar, pool table, ping pong table, TVs, and its own full bathroom. This is a cool space to chill and have fun. Here I am in one of my favorite areas of all, the backyard. We made it really special, having this beautiful garden surrounding the amazing pool, which gives you lots of privacy to swim, to chill, to have some Florida sun, and also have some fun.